In this video, I'll walk you through how to fix Bluetooth doesn't find any device in Windows 7. We'll go over a few methods, so let's get started. Go ahead and head to your Start menu, and in the search bar, type in Device Manager, just like so. And go ahead and click on Device Manager. So here, you want to go to your Bluetooth radios or Bluetooth and expand it and look for generic Bluetooth adapter and update driver software. Search automatically and give it some time to search for driver software. But as you can see, it says we have the best driver software already installed. So go ahead and cancel that. Let's go for the second method. Search again for Device Manager and click on it again. Then you want to go to that same place and go ahead and right click and enable it in case it is disabled. Okay, so now you want to go ahead and close it, and for the third one, go to the same place and search for services and go ahead and select services. Now in this section, you want to go ahead and scroll until you find Bluetooth support service. Alright, go ahead and set it automatic, and after that you apply. Then start. And click on OK. So it has started and is now set to automatic. So close it and kindly restart your computer in case. Then add a device and boom, it is solved. If this video was helpful, kindly like and subscribe for more contents like this. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.